So what you can also do is generate out cover letter for yourself using Qwen as well. Let's say, for example, I want to say something like, I am trying to apply as a Python programmer in a fintech company. Write a cover letter for me. I am a recent graduate, right here, just like this. So if I were to go ahead right here and then send it, then what happens is that it'll give you the placeholders for where you need to add in extra information, and then it'll simply go ahead and generate out a cover letter for you. For example, it says, dear hiring manager, I'm writing to express my enthusiasm for Python programmer position at the company name as advertised on job board website. As a recent graduate with strong foundation in software development and a passion for financial technology, I'm excited about the opportunity to contribute to your innovative team and help drive impactful solution in the fintech space. So you can see that this is what I have right here, and it mentions your studies right here on technical expertise and so forth. And you can also go ahead and see that it gives you tips on how you can go ahead and make it better. And that is how you can go ahead and easily generate out a cover letter as you need inside of Qwen. I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.